Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You are in my vlog now. Mukbang. Mr. G, mukbang today. And Aliyah. Aliyah, where is your food?
I don't have food.
Why?
Because I already ate. Nothing.
Tastes good, huh?
Yeah, that's real good. Keep me from starving.
Yeah.
You work all day outside.
Yeah, I'm relaxing now. Haven't took my shower yet though, but I'm okay.
Yeah, that is okay.
I've been having a hard day. Are you starting over again?
Yeah. No.
I don't say bad words anyway.
Me too.
Me?
No.
I don't say that.
I don't want to say bad words to you. Okay, you don't say no bad words. I'm sorry. You can edit that, right? It's delicious.
Sit down in your daddy. Yan, nagmumukbang ang asawa ko. Si Mr. G. Mukbang. Yan ang aming ulam. Masaya na ang asawa ko sa kanyang pagkain, beans and daing na bangus.
Yes. It's good. It's good. Leah's special recipe. Just for me.
What is that?
This is my fish.
Fish. What kind of fish?
I can't tell you. It's an ancient Chinese secret. You have to guess. That's a good fish.
It's a good fish.
Yeah.
That's your favorite fish.
Yeah. It took the place of tilapia. Tilapia used to be good, but it's good now again since we figured out the formula. Yeah. What can I say? Thank you. I can't talk and eat. have to eat and then talk. My daughter. I guess I'll be back.
Guys, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you for watching.